Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today. I'm Chanel and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and I'm here today with a case card that I spotted on Pinterest, and it was put up there by Susan White. So we are going to be using this gorgeous bundle. Yes, Christmas in August, why not? So this is the Christmas Gleaming bundle. It's a bundle and you get the stamp set and 2 punches. I'm just going to be using 1 punch today, and we're going to put this Christmas card together, and I'm going to show you how to make it. It's very simple, and it's very quick, but it's very effective as well. So we've got the stamp set and we have the punch, and the products can be found in the description below, and also my shop. And don't forget to use the host code on orders under £150 for your thank you gift from me. Right, so move your bum, Mr. Charles. For those of you who don't know, I have a very naughty cat who decides to appear every time I do a video. Right, okay, so what we're going to use, we are using Whisper White card base, and this is 11 by 4 1/8, and it is scored at 5.5. And the layers that we have here, you are going to need, this is Garden Green, and it is 5 1/8 by 3 1/4. And then you'll need some Whisper White, which is 3 1/4 by 4 7/8. A piece of vellum, which is 5 by 3 3/4. I'll just go through those again. So the card base is 11 by 4 1/8, scored at 5.5. The Garden Green is 5 1/8 by 3 1/4. Your Whisper White is 3 1/4 by 4 7/8, and your vellum is 5 by 3 3/3. Sorry. You're going to need some scrap Whisper White, if I can find a piece. Let me just pull that in here, and what we're going to do, we are just going to get the bauble, and we are going to also get the holly and the sentiment. There you go, that's all we're going to need. Right, okay, I'm using Memento ink. Whoops, I'm just going to, no, not that one. What am I doing? The holly. Right, the holly, we're just going to stamp this twice. I love this stamp set. It's just gorgeous. Gorgeous. And wait till you see how quick and easy this card is. So we're just going to stamp that twice. Oops, I've gone off the... Look at what I did. Chanel, concentrate. Right. Right, okay, I'm going to try again like that, and then I'm going to bring in my Stamparatus. I love it. And what we're going to do, because when I did this by itself, I fluffed it up. So excuse me. Right, okay, so we're just going to put that on there. It doesn't matter. I love the Stamparatus. Oh my god, it's amazing. Right, so we're just going to push that down, and there you have it. Right, okay, take that off of there a minute, and then I'm going to pull this off. Right, okay, and then you're going to need, because we're going to do some embossing. So what we're going to do is just take our embossing buddy and go over that, and then take that off of there. Nope, wrong one. Right, where is my other stamp block? There it is there. And we're going to use Versamark and we're just going to stamp that down there. And then I have, this is gold embossing powder. Put that over here. Right, okay, let's just put this back in here before the Mr. Charles has an accident with it. Right, okay, that's that. Put the lid on. And then we're just going to bring in the heat gun, my heat tool. Right, Charles, can you get down a minute? I don't trust you. Right. That's that. And then all we're going to do is get our punch and just punch this out. Isn't that just gorgeous? Oh my gosh, I love it. Look at that. How gorgeous. Oops, is that. Right, okay. And then what we're going to do is just bring in our right, okay, I'm using the Stampin' blends, and I have got, what colour do I have here? Dark Mossy Meadow and Light Mossy Meadow, and then I have the light, so Saffron, and we're just going to colour these in. I'm going to do one for you, as I already have some done. And then it will save time, so we'll just colour one in just to show you. So we're just going to go over that, and then I want my dark, so Saffron, and we're just going to come in and just do a little bit of shading on there. And then with your light Mossy Meadow, we're just going to, now don't worry if you do go out of the lines, because we're going to be fussy cutting these out. I do love my Stampin' blends. I haven't got them all yet. I am building my collection. I thought I would get some and try them out, but I am addicted to the Stampin' blends. Oh my gosh. And I just want to quickly show you something if you didn't already know, and I didn't even think that this was possible, and I'll show you something in 2 seconds, and it's amazing. You wait till you see this. So let's just say we was colouring that in, and look, oh whoops, I've gone out of the line. Wow, Stampin' blends have this, it's called a colour lifter, and I didn't even think this was possible. So you go over this, and look, it takes away the colour. Oh my gosh, it is amazing. Look, it actually takes away the colour if you go out the lines. It is amazing. Look at that. That's just phenomenal. Right, we're going to take our dark Mossy Meadow, and we're just going to go up the lines in the leaves. Like so. And then what we're going to do is just go over it again with the light Mossy Meadow, just to blend that in a bit. And then it gives a bit of depth to the leaves. Now, I do have 2 already fussy cut out, so I didn't want you to have to sit, so those already done. And I have gone and cut out the sentiment as well. So they are already done, and now it's time to put this together. What I will do, I might cut that out to put inside actually. So what we're going to do is we're going to put down the garden green, and we're going to put it at an angle on the base like that. So let me just get my stamp and seal. Let's, I can get the lid off. Okay, right. Okay, so we're just going to put that down, and we need to put this at an angle like, oops, I've done that wrong, like so. And then the Whisper White we're going to put just on like that. Whoops, come on. Oh, so I don't know what happened there. And we're just going to put that down like so. Now don't forget, if you're putting vellum down, you will see the glue behind it. So what I'm going to do is, where this is going to go, I will try and put the glue behind. Oops. So we could put a bit just there. And a little bit up here. So we're not going to see that. And then that's going to go there. That's going to go behind like that. That's going to go there. Whoops, a daisy. Oh, well, come on. Like that. And then that is going to go over there. So let me just put these leaves down first. Where is my glue? Right, let's put some glue down. And as you can see, this goes down rather quickly. Put that sort of there. And then the bauble's going to go there. And that's going to go on there. So I think I'm going to put this on with dimensionals. Oops, daisy. I was going to do matching tags to go with this actually. Right, okay, so if you don't already have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and you are in the UK and you would like one, I would love to be your demonstrator. And I can send you a catalogue if you would like one. So all of my information can be found below. Now, shall I put that across like that or to the side? I think I'm going to put this at an angle. And I think what I'm going to do is put two like that, and then a little bit of glue on there, because we don't really want that raised on top of it. Oopsie daisy. And then we're going to put that like so. And then I have some, oh, where's my lid gone? Champagne, these lovely champagne rhinestones. And I'm going to put a couple of these on just to decorate this up, and then we'll put something on the inside, which I haven't really thought about yet. But we will find something cute to put inside as well. Oh dear. Right, okay, let's put a couple of, do we want a big one? I think. Let's put one there. and a smaller one maybe up there. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look gorgeous? And then we'll put an even smaller one up here. Oh, I like these gemstones. Oh my gosh, isn't that gorgeous? So that's the outside done, the front I should say, and then that just leaves something to be put in the inside. Now maybe what we could do, if I quickly, where are my snips gone? Let me quickly cut this out. Now I can either put that inside, or I could put, oh, do you know what? I think I might put the bauble inside, actually. I think that looks really gorgeous. Right, let's put the bauble inside. Put that there. And pop that down there. And what I could actually do, we've got Merry Christmas, and also the stamp set says, and be jolly this season. So maybe I could put that inside. So let's hope we can do it and I don't mess it up. Okay. Excuse me, I didn't really know what I was going to do on the inside. So let me just clean this stamp set. I have missed doing the case cards. Oh my goodness me. Well, those of you that have been with me from the beginning know that I used to do case cards all the time. So it is great to be back making case cards. Oh, love it, love it, love it. Right. And I didn't put my stamp on straight, did I? Of course I didn't. This way. Right, let's just hope and pray that I put this down. Oh my gosh, I'm a bit worried now. Excuse me. Uh-oh, let's just hope. Oh, I'm really worried. If I mess this up, pray for me. Oh, it's fine. And be jolly this season. Actually, look, it looks quite nice at an angle. So we pulled it off. And that is the gorgeous card that we've made today. And as you can see, it's very super fast and it is very effective. Look at that gorgeous card. I just love it. So don't forget that if you are wanting any of the products shown in this video, they will be listed below. Also, my shop can be found, I can be found here, www.chanel.stampingup.net. And if you are wanting to order something, please don't forget to use the host code if you would like a thank you gift from me. So thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe, and I shall see you all very soon with another case card. Take care for now. Bye bye.